Hey guys, welcome to Dragy The World. New series we're gonna do. Literally drag everything we can do. Take the Dragy out, throw it on there. This is actually our first test right here. Got a 2019 Corvette Stingray. We're gonna run this thing and see what she can do. What do you guys think it's gonna do? Put a comment down there and we'll see if you're right. All right guys, just did a 4.2 to 60 in an 8-second eighth mile. Wanted to explain how we do these because it's gonna be the same for every vehicle. There's gonna be one shot at this unless we completely blow the tires off. We're gonna get the car fully warmed up, drive it up about 1.5 miles up the street, and then do a U-turn. We'll drive about another mile, and then we have a safe spot to do it on. You're gonna do it the same every single time, one shot. If it hooks, that's the time, and that's what it's gonna be. We can't do best temperature, tire pressures, all this stuff. It's literally going to have it all set to factory spec. It's going to run what it runs, and we're going to see what they do. So let us know if there's anything else you want us to drag, and we'll do it.